So mga kabaro, makakasama po natin ngayon ang Ed ng Donnie Geisler Taekwondo Training Center, two-time Olympian, 2000 Sydney and 2004 Athens. Isa sa mga iniidolo natin sa sport ng Taekwondo. Of course, a former national athlete turned coach and dating housemate ni Kuya, si Sir Donnie Geisler. Magandang araw and nice to meet you finally.
Hello, good morning. Good morning, Gavin. Good morning sa mga nakikinig ngayong araw na ito. And it's a Sunday and it's a wonderful day. It's cloudy and we're having the second pretty huge cup. So very exciting yung day, and of course we're about to have our kyurugi or sparring and it's about to start in a few minutes.
Okay, kasama rin po natin ang ating photographer, si Francis Luman, in action. At ang inyong lingkod na isa sa mga coverers ng ating Pretty Huge Taekwondo Cup na yon. So tell us more about dito sa inyong partnership with Pretty Huge with regards dito sa pagdaos ng tournament. At kanina nasaksihan natin yung Kyukpa at of course yung Pumsei events na talaga naman tinangkilik at sinalihan ng ating mga batang Taekwondo warriors natin.
Yes, actually itong competition ito was really para sa mga students ko here at Pretty Huge, who's been my partner for almost 3 years now. So yung partnership namin when we started with beginners, ngayon medyo nagkakaroon na kami ng mga athletes that want to compete, so we decided to create a competition wherein the students of Pretty Huge will be able to display their skills in Taekwondo.
And this is also a continuous partnership dahil dito sa Pretty Huge meron din kayong clinics, bukod pa sa iba pa mga clinics dyan sa Makati, sa Taguig, sa southern part of Metro Manila. Marami po mga specialty clinics itong DG Taekwondo. Pero what makes it special talaga itong partnership nitong Pretty Huge saka yung ating DG Taekwondo natin?
Well, yung partnership namin with Pretty Huge is we have the same interest. Of course, it's focused all on physical activities like sports. We have the obstacle course here, and we have athletes who are young kids all the way to working professionals that want to just exercise. So when we partnered up, our goal was really to just have a Taekwondo program, but now we were able to establish a well-respected partnership that hopefully will last longer.
And in this Taekwondo Cup ng Pretty Huge at DG, ilan clubs ang sumali dito sa competition at anong estimated number ng athletes na nakilaok dito sa one-day event natin, Sir Donnie?
So, we have limited space lang, so we have a few teams, probably almost 20, I'm not sure of the exact count.
Pero may ilan sa kanila, yun nakita natin galing Tarlac, galing Cebu, galing ilang parte ng Metro Manila and the rest of the parts of the Philippines, Sir Donnie, na meron silang Taekwondo clubs na sinalihan. That's aside nga dun sa inyong club na rin.
Yes, we have a lot of supporters, especially, coaches that believe in our system of competition wherein kids will be able to enjoy and have fun and not get traumatized, because what we want is for the kids to have a nice experience in sparring, breaking, and of course, Pumsei also. So this is a great opportunity for them to really showcase their skills without with of course one is everyone gets a medal, so masaya lahat when they come home, they have a good experience, which boosts their confidence as athletes as well.
And maganda rin pagkakataon na rin itong mga tournaments like yung sa CSA recently, ngayon Pretty Huge, para at least magkaroon ng magandang exposure, mabigyan ng magandang opportunities, and maybe one day magiging Olympiad katulad mo and a coach someday.
Yeah, well, that's really my main purpose. Although, syempre, it's really hard to create Olympians and delegation, and of course, the sacrifice that an athlete would have to give. So in the percentage of students, siguro there'll be at least 1 or 2% who will probably have reached that goal. But still, how can you reach that goal if you don't have programs that will really develop and help establish that kind of program wherein, you know, it will be easy for the athlete, not easy, but it will be possible for the athletes to reach them.
Okay, so what's next for the DG Taekwondo with regards sa mga tournaments and activities? Although yung ating Pretty Huge Taekwondo Cup is still ongoing dahil mamaya naman merong Kyugi event in a couple of minutes at saka nag-award na sila yung ating mga pumse. So what's next for the DG Taekwondo?
So we have one more competition before we end the year on December, which is our President Cup, which is going to be our second also President's Cup. And that's my main goal is just to have great programs like this, wherein, you know, everybody's welcome to join. You're practicing Taekwondo if you want. If you want your students to compete, have a good experience with a great venue, then you can just get in touch with me and I'll help you out.
Okay, so singit ko na rin yung ating kickboxing team natin. Currently, nasa Tagaytay sila training for the Asian Kickboxing Championships. What's the latest para dito sa ating kickboxers natin?
Recently, after the SEA Games, I haven't been so active with the team, but I go there every once in a while to visit. Pero for now, I think talagang they're still training hard and continuous pa rin yung program. Of course, we have great leaders like Attorney Wharton Chan, Secretary General.
At si Ma'am Ong.
Ma'am Bebarotti, and we have a great team, of course, of our President, Vice President, Senator Francis Filipino. And these people really support the kickboxing team, and you can see the development of the sport. It's really successful, and they've been gaining a lot of medals. So I'm sure they're on the right track with good leaders that can really lead the way for them to get, you know, maybe the first ever Asian Games or more SEA Games gold medals.
Back to Taekwondo, this is my last question. Although wala tayong pinadala na Taekwondo bets sa Olympics, well, except sa para Taekwondo, sa Elaine ganapin, do you believe na someday magkakaroon na ulit tayo ng Olympic-bound Taekwondo gym ng Pilipinas pagdating naman ng 2028 LA?
In Taekwondo kasi the competition is getting really tough. You know, there are a lot of countries like Thailand, Vietnam, and Southeast Asia. Medyo talagang magagaling na lahat. The competition is really, really hard. So, developing an athlete or, you know, it's really, you know, you gotta have athletes that have really strong hearts who will really just go there and do their best. It's all about doing their best. So hopefully, I cannot say, you know, the Philippines has always been in at least one of the top countries in Southeast Asia, and I believe we're gonna get our first Olympic gold medal maybe in the next Olympic Games.
Okay, Sir Donnie, ito na ang pagkakataon para magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga taga-suporta sa Pretty Huge, although it's ongoing, at imbitahan nyo na sila sa mga events na DG and of course yung ating mga clinics para yung sa mga interesado na matuto mag-taekwondo.
I would like to thank everyone, especially those who travel, the coaches, masters, students who travel far all the way from Cebu and other provinces to come here and participate in our events. We want to produce more competitions like this, so because I believe that there's of maybe one day getting the first ever gold medal in Taekwondo in the Philippines.
And of course sa mga sponsors.
Sponsors, we have Taters. I want to thank Taters, of course, Neo Colors, the printing, for taking care of all our, you know, flyers and magazines. And of course, I want to thank my staff, the DG staff. I want to thank my wife, of course, who's always there to get me on my toes. And of course, all the masters and students who make this possible.
Okay, Sir Donnie, thank you so much at isang karangalan na makasama ka namin. And finally, napuntaan ko na rin itong Taekwondo tournament ng Donnie Geisler. And naniniwala tayo sa mission na maging inclusive tayo dahil ang Sports Corner will be posting more coverages sa iba't ibang mga Taekwondo tournaments regardless of any affiliation, whether sa PTA, sa PTF, sa PTU, and the others na Taekwondo groups. Basta walang siraan, syempre.
Well, Taekwondo is a sport. Taekwondo is for everyone. Everyone can freely join and compete. I don't want to get too much involved into politics, but everyone's my friends, and we just want to have an event wherein everybody can participate without any discrimination.
And again, Sir Donnie, thank you so much. It's been an honor to invite Sports Corner PH. It's one of our media partners, and we'll see you at the next tournament. Salamat
Yes,
po.
Thank you for this opportunity also, and I know you're a busy man.
Sobrang busy nga sa dami ng mga ganap at sa dami naman ng online at Zoom interviews natin Pero pinagtiyagaan ko pa rin na pumunta dito sa ating
You're
Taekwondo Cup.
considered a sports hero, because without you, how will we know who they are, right?
Correction, one of our sports heroes, yung ating mga vloggers na rin, na tumutulong na rin. So, thank you so much and God bless po.
You have a good afternoon, okay?